Hello again. Got listening to the birds out here and that we were going live. So, this is my holly. You can see this is one of the first homes as you enter the neighborhood. It is the first home on the left. This is a nice one-bedroom plan. Let's go in through the front door this time. So as you can see, I'm actually going to step back off the path here. You have a nice entryway there for maybe an outdoor foyer table or maybe some plants as you come in. But it gives it a very nice sheltered feeling. So coming in right away, here you can see that's our door to the garage, which also has a very nice little storage nook here for you. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So let's just go and tour the secondary bedrooms here first. Have this one facing the front of the home. It's a good-sized bedroom. The closets. Nice double-door closet. Plenty of room for storage. It is the closet that goes forever. We finished this one off with some crown molding. And we have vinyl plank floors. Sorry, I didn't think to do this at the other one, but you can see. This is a luxury vinyl plank. It's great. It's scratch resistant, water resistant. You never have to refinish it. This is a color called Millstone. I've actually done this all through the home. You can see we've done it here in the secondary bath too. And again, we have our marble vanity. Shower tub combo. Right here is your linen closet. And again, guys, I'm going to take you back through these homes when they're a little more complete so you can see them with the closet hardware and everything. This is our second bedroom. This one looks off to the side, but towards the front of the neighborhood. Closet, slightly larger than the front bedroom. All right. And then through here, this is our utility room. A little nook for storage. And my apologies about how dark it is. You see washer and dryer connects there. And then again, I'm walking in here to the master closet. And into the master bathroom. Here again, we have our extra shower. Your marble vanity top. Again, we can do a double vanity if you prefer. And linen closet here. And then we're walking in here to the master bedroom. This one faces the back of this home. Very quiet room. Good open space. And the master is just kind of set back away from everything. And you come in here to the main living space. This kitchen is absolutely beautiful. We've got the light gray cabinets here. We opted to do countertops here. This is an upgrade. Our standard is laminate. But these are absolutely beautiful. And this is a color called New Caledonia. It looks really nice with the gray and then the white of the walls. And you you can just see how open this room is. So much space. And then for this one, we opted as well to do a little bit of an extra concrete pad at the back, so you've got some room for some chairs. You hear that bird calling? And you've got all this space over here. And that's my Holly, guys. Just a small, efficient home. But really great if maybe you don't have as large a family, or you're looking, or you're just like me and you like a cozy little home. This is a great starter, or a good option if you decide that you need something just a little bit smaller for your lifestyle now. And again, really good sized pantry, plenty of room in there for anything that you may need to store. And we've tucked away too. So guys, again, this is my Holly floor plan. Lots of upgrades on this one, but still priced only at $206,990. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. We'd love to talk to you about it, so if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 743-333-8558. My email address is shall, S-H-A-L-L, at sagamorehomes.com. You can also check out our homes on the website, sagamorehomes.com. All right, so I'm going to go across the street now. We're going to check out this Jasmine. There's a lot to see over there. We got 2,400 square feet. So thank you again for joining me. Let's go check out this third house, and I'll see you over there.